Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting the reset now. First, confirm your backups so you won't lose contacts or saved credentials. Once done, write down Wi-Fi names and passwords and your carrier PIN if needed for reactivation. Next, unlock the phone and open settings, navigate directly to network or connections. Make sure airplane mode is off so the system can clear active connections. This immediate start avoids extra steps later and prepares the device to purge network profiles cleanly and predictably. Now perform the actual reset. Go to Network and Internet or Connections, then tap Reset Options or Reset Settings. Choose Reset Network Settings and read the confirmation so you understand what is removed. When prompted, enter your device PIN or password to authorize the change. This prevents accidental resets. After you confirm, the phone will process the reset and usually restarts. Make sure to stay nearby during the restart so you can re-enter Wi-Fi and VPN credentials immediately when the system is ready. Finish by reconnecting. Open Wi-Fi, select your network, and enter the password. Repair Bluetooth devices and reconfigure VPN or APN settings as required. If cellular still fails, toggle airplane mode on then off, reboot the phone again, and reset the SIM to ensure proper contact. If you still lack service, test another phone on the same SIM or reset the router at home. If problems persist, contact your carrier or ISP. This troubleshooting step isolates whether the issue is device, SIM, or network side.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.